Now, the urban car is especially relevant among those who buy a car for its size and price, those who need mobility in busy cities and tight spaces. The city car for daily use is the axis of global mobility for millions, not only because of its size, but especially for those who are looking for better priced cars around the globe. Megacities with populations of millions, narrow streets, intense traffic, and excess local emissions are the basis for more intelligent, compact, and less polluting vehicles. The needs and desires of millions lie right in this segment. Here are the top 3 in the world finalists for 2025 World Urban Car.
2025 World Urban Car. BYD Seagull, Dolphin Mini. Hyundai Inster, Casper Electric. Mini Cooper Electric.
And the 2025 World Urban Car is the BYD Seagull Dolphin Mini. Congratulations.
BYD Seagull Dolphin Mini. Sold as the Dolphin Mini in Latin America, the Seagull is BYD's smallest model. 30 and 38.8 kilowatt-hour battery options give the car a 305 to 405 kilometer claimed range.
Thank you so much for this award. I'm represent 1 million BYD staff, so thrilled to receiving this award today. This is the 20 urban cars. This is the car through our innovation. It's like a stylish design and equipped with all the high tech. In China, the Seagull has all the highway auto drive function. And then in overseas, we call the Dolphin Mini is the best, most affordable electric car. So we're so thrilled here today and highly appreciate all the members from the World Cars and the jury and the journalists. And I believe you are same with other customer from BYD globally, really falling in love with this stylish, trendy, smart tools. Thank you.